Have you ever wondered how you can earn money online without any investment? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore several avenues that can help you earn money online without spending a dime. This includes freelancing, where you can leverage your skills to work on a variety of projects. We'll also delve into affiliate marketing, a strategy where promoting other people's products can earn you a commission. Taking online surveys is another tactic we'll discuss, as it's a simple way to start earning right away. And let's not forget about starting a YouTube channel, a potentially lucrative venture if you're passionate about a particular topic. There are even more methods that we'll touch on, from selling photos to reviewing websites. The possibilities are truly endless. So, are you ready to dive into this digital treasure trove? Stay tuned as we dive into these methods one by one. First, let's explore freelancing. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own schedule, and choosing the projects that excite you the most. That's the beauty of freelancing. It's a way to offer your unique skills and services to clients worldwide, all from the comfort of your home or wherever you choose to work. Freelancing is about leveraging your talents. Are you a wordsmith? Offer writing or editing services? Do you have an eye for aesthetics? Try graphic design. Perhaps you're a whiz at coding. Web development could be your route. The beauty of freelancing is that it encompasses a universe of skills, from marketing and consulting to teaching and beyond. Getting started with freelancing might seem daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. The first step is to identify your skill set. What can you do that others can't or won't? Once you have that figured out, it's time to join a freelancing platform. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com are great places to start. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. Creating an attractive profile is crucial. Think of it as your digital storefront. It's where potential clients will get an idea of who you are, what you offer, and how well you do it. Highlight your skills, your experience, and don't forget to showcase your best work. A well-crafted profile can make the difference between landing a project and being overlooked. Once your profile is up and running, you can start bidding on projects. Don't be disheartened if you don't land the first project you bid on. Persistence is key. Keep bidding, keep improving, and soon enough, you'll land your first gig. Remember, freelancing is not just about earning money, it's about freedom and flexibility. It's about doing what you love and getting paid for it. It's about taking control of your work life and shaping it to fit your lifestyle. Freelancing is a flexible and potentially lucrative way to earn money online. With the right skills and a dash of determination, you could be on your way to a fulfilling freelance career, so why not give it a shot? After all, the best time to start is now. Next up, affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn money online without any initial investment. If you're scratching your head wondering what affiliate marketing is, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Affiliate marketing is essentially a partnership. You, as an affiliate, promote someone else's products or services. In return, you receive a commission on any sales that are made because of your promotional efforts. The more you sell, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation for both parties. You might be thinking, well, that sounds great, but how do I get started? The first step is to sign up for an affiliate program. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, from giants like Amazon Associates to smaller niche programs like ClickBank and ShareASale. Each of these programs offers a wide variety of products or services that you can promote. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program, the next step is to choose which products or services you'd like to promote. Ideally, you should choose products or services that you're genuinely interested in and passionate about. This will make your promotional efforts more authentic and engaging. After you've chosen your products or services, the next step is promotion. You can promote your chosen products or services in a variety of ways, such as through your own website, blog, or social media accounts. The key is to create engaging, valuable content that encourages people to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Remember, the more sales you generate, the more commission you earn. So it's in your best interest to put in the effort to create high-quality, engaging content that drives sales. Affiliate marketing can seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're new to the world of online marketing. But with some time, effort, and dedication, you can become a successful affiliate marketer and start earning money online without any initial investment. Affiliate marketing is a popular method that allows you to earn commissions on sales. It's a fantastic way to monetize your online presence and create a steady stream of passive income. So why not give it a try? Let's now move on to online surveys. Online surveys are a simple and accessible way to earn money online. Companies, researchers, and organizations often need feedback on their products, services, or ideas, and they are willing to pay for your time and thoughts. This is where online surveys come into play. So what are online surveys? Well, they are questionnaires that the target audience can complete over the internet. These surveys can be about anything from your shopping habits and opinions on new products to your thoughts on current events. They're an important tool for businesses seeking to understand consumer behavior. Signing up for a survey site is typically straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, like your age, location, and interests. This is because companies are often looking for feedback from specific demographic groups. Once you've signed up, you can start taking surveys. Each survey will usually take between 5 to 30 minutes to complete. The length of the survey often determines the pay rate. Longer surveys typically pay more. Most survey sites operate on a point system. Each survey you complete earns you a certain number of points, and these points can then be exchanged for cash or gift cards. Some sites even offer sweepstakes entries or charitable donations as rewards. It's important to remember that while online surveys can be a quick way to make some extra cash, they're not likely to replace a full-time job. But if you have some spare time on your hands and want to earn a bit of extra money, they can be a great option. One tip to keep in mind is to sign up for several survey sites. This can increase your chances of having surveys available to take, and therefore increase your earning potential. Some popular survey sites to consider are Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Inbox Dollars. But there are many others out there. Do your research and find the ones that work best for you. Online surveys can be a quick way to make some extra cash. So, why not give them a try? Another interesting method is starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is a platform where anyone can upload and share videos. These videos can be about anything that fascinates you, whether it's cooking, tech reviews, fashion, gaming, or even your adorable pets. The magic of YouTube lies in its ability to connect people with shared interests from all corners of the globe. Creating a YouTube channel is quite straightforward. You simply need a Google account, a catchy channel name that resonates with your content, and a clear vision of what your channel will be about. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about, as this will shine through in your videos and draw in viewers who share your interests. Now let's talk about building a following. This requires consistency and interaction. Regularly posting engaging, high-quality content is key to gaining and retaining subscribers. Interacting with your audience, responding to comments, and actively participating in your YouTube community will also help you build a strong relationship with your viewers. Once you've established a dedicated following, you can start to monetize your channel. One of the primary ways to do this is through advertising. YouTube's partner program allows creators to earn money from ads displayed on their videos. These can be in the form of display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads, and more. Sponsorships are another way to earn money. Brands often reach out to popular YouTubers to promote their products or services. The key here is to choose sponsorships that align with your brand and won't alienate your audience. Lastly, there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service in your videos and providing a link for viewers to purchase it. Each time a viewer purchases the product through your link, you earn a commission. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, dedication, and a lot of hard work. But with time and effort, YouTube can be a creative and rewarding way to earn money online. Finally, here are some other ways to earn money online without investment. Firstly, if you have a knack for photography, you can sell your photos online. Websites like Shutterstock or Getty Images are always on the lookout for new photos to add to their collections. Secondly, if you're social media savvy, you can offer social media consultancy services. Help businesses grow their online presence and get paid for your expertise. Becoming a virtual assistant is another great option. Assist entrepreneurs and businesses with administrative tasks, all from the comfort of your own home. You might also consider participating in focus groups or becoming an online travel agent. Reviewing websites and apps for usability or testing new apps before they hit the market can also be lucrative. If you enjoy writing, consider writing and selling ebooks, or perhaps create and sell online courses if you're knowledgeable in a specific field. These methods show that there are numerous opportunities to earn money online without any investment. In summary, earning money online without investment is not only possible, but there are many ways to do it. We've walked through various methods, from freelancing your skills to participating in online surveys. We've discovered the power of affiliate marketing and the potential of creating a YouTube channel. And we've even explored other ways like selling your photos, becoming a virtual assistant, and creating online courses. Each of these methods has its own unique advantages and possibilities. Some might require a bit of skill or knowledge, while others simply need your time and dedication. But they all share one thing in common. They are all accessible and doable without any initial investment. So don't hesitate. Begin your journey today. Explore these methods, find the one that suits you best, and start earning money online. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities. With a little effort and dedication, you can start earning money online today. Thank you for watching.